Hello everyone, it's dinner time. Tonight we're going to make a Chinese food takeout favorite. I hope it's going to be a simple one because I haven't made them before at home, but we're going to give it a try anyway. We're going to make some shrimp fried wontons is what we're going to make. So here I already cut up some green onions, some ginger, and some carrots. I'm going to put it in my food processor because we're going to chop this up with my shrimp to kind of almost make a paste, because that's what we're going to use to fill our wontons with to cook. So I'm going to pulse this up just a little bit and cut up my vegetables first, just a little bit before I start doing the shrimp, because I don't want to do the shrimp too much. So we're going to chop this up first. Oh my gosh, are you serious?
You forgot to...
Hello, Houston, we have a problem.
Hi.
You look so lovely tonight.
I need a hairbrush though. Hairdresser did a bad job on my hair. My weave is all over the place.
Now I got it plugged in. I'm going to chop my veggies up. Seriously, I got carrot stuff. I'm having that kind of a day. Oh my gosh, I seriously got a carrot stuck, y'all. Look at that. Okay, I got it.
Why are you messing up so much today?
Tragedies everywhere. Okay, now I got that chopped up. Nope, but I got garlic juice all over me.
Yep.
Now I'm putting about a teaspoon of minced garlic in there. Oh my goodness, I just ran out of paper towels.
I keep it.
Okay, because I cleaned up the garlic juice I had on me. Okay, and I have just a bag of extra large. They were frozen shrimp, that you can get at your local grocery store. I've got them all defrosted here and everything. Now we're going to add those in as well. Make sure they don't have any shells or tails or anything like that on there.
Or head.
Here, or heads. Well, okay. I'm going to get a little service here, but that's not. Alright.
What you need?
I was wanting you to put up my garlic.
He got it.
Okay. Boy, I did 2 carrots, and that seems like it's a lot of carrots. Alright, now we have our shrimp mixture all mixed up. We're about to go and stuff our wontons, and if you see, all my shrimp are chopped up. They're not quite paste, but they are in pretty good little bite-sized pieces here, and that's what we want to make it easier to fit in the wonton. Okay, so now we're going to go to the table and fill our shrimp wontons. But okay, we have our shrimp, carrot, green onion, and ginger mix in our bowl. Now we're going to add some white pepper to it. We're going to add about a half a tablespoon, half tablespoon, that's what this one is, of mirin. And mirin, this is a sweet cooking seasoning. It's a sauce. It's kind of like vinegar a little bit that you use. And we're going to use a half a teaspoon of soy sauce. if I don't like cover it everywhere else. Oh my goodness, it's like exploding out. That one's always hard to do.
That's just our pumpkin back there.
Oh, why's it making that noise?
It's on fire.
It's supposed to sound like a fire.
Oh,
You didn't know it made
I
noise?
forgot about that. Open that one for me, please. And we're going to use a half teaspoon of oyster sauce. Now, always remember whenever you're using some of your Chinese or Asian condiments, like the soy sauce and the oyster sauce, it has a lot of salt in it. So as you see, I just put some white pepper in there, and I'm not adding any salt. Because, yeah, like I said, these have a lot of salt. And this one's like a big old thick paste. So we're going to add that in there. And it's pretty strong too, the oyster sauce. Alright. And we're going to mix all that up in here. And I don't know if it'd be easier if I just use my gloved hands and scoop it out and put it on there, or if it'd be easier if we use the spoon. What do you think?
I don't know.
I'm gonna try a spoon
Try
first.
spoon first, and if we make a mess, then we'll go the other route.
Okay, and we have just a regular pack of wontons that you can find at your grocery store. These are just the regular wrappers that come in a big pack. And normally you can find them in the produce section if you go to look for them. But if they're not over there, then you can always just ask the clerk if they're somewhere else in the store. But normally that's where I find them, is in the produce section. Okay, I need to put that over there a little bit because I need some room. And normally, yes, a lot of times they use like one wonton and make what they call purses or something like that with these whenever they do like fried wontons or anything, which I've done that before too. But today we're going to double wonton it. There's some water right there, because I think it'll make a better seal on it and make it easier to deal with. No, because I want you to use the water, and it's got to have enough water to seal it, because that's making it sticky and going to make it like glue. So yeah, you're going to put a little water all the way around it, all four corners, and then I think you got it good. You're going to stick it to the container. Then we're going to add the other wonton on top.
Ravioli.
Yeah, kind of making like a ravioli, and we're going to press it and stick it together like that. And of course, you know, get a ravioli. I'm sure it's pretty stuck there too, but I'm just going to use my fork too, just to be sure that it's, and I might have put a little too much in there because it looks like it was trying to come out on this side here. So I'll have to be careful about how much I spread it out and all that. So there's one of our wontons there that we got made. Okay, and now we're going to go and make a few more. Okay, we're ready to start frying our our shrimp wontons. We're fixing to fry them. Some of them, yes, I did make them look like raviolis. And then the other ones, I started packing, making them look like little purses. Just however you can get yours to close and cooperate with you, then that's how you get it done. Always improvise, always be ready to go. And I believe this is hot enough. I'm going to put a couple in there. It's bubbling. I don't even know if I can get a couple in there.
Hello? What are you doing?
Got the mic off.
Yes, I got the mic on.
to get that one to stay. I'm gonna try to put that one in there too. I'm hoping it's not gonna explode open.
That would suck.
That would suck, wouldn't even be the word for it. And this shouldn't take like no time at all. You are pretty much literally just trying to get your wonton wrappers pretty nice and golden brown, and then your shrimp should be done on the inside because it never takes a long time to cook shrimp. And of course you're just going to always do them in batches and do a little bit at a time. And please be careful when you're cooking with grease.
Because you could burn yourself.
Yep, done did that.
Alright guys, this is the last batch and it looks like they are done. Ooh, they get spicy too. So we definitely need to pull them out. And as you see, they're nice and golden brown little pillows. Just the water from the shrimp, making it get extra salty. Alright, I got them all. I got it all. Be careful and move this out of the way. What's up?
Which ones are
The ones on the very bottom, the ravioli looking ones.
ravioli? Come out of here.
Let's get that way.
I think he likes it.
Oh,
You like it? Okay guys, we hope this was easy and you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time. Enjoy cooking.